Traditionally, waste in Ghana is being dumped in landfills such as this one in the capital, Accra. In about 3 years' time, it will be completely filled.
All kinds of waste are brought together here, as you can see. There's household waste, metal, plastics, electronics. There's no sorting of any kind, and much of it isn't biodegradable.
You see, the problem here in Ghana is waste segregation is not a culture. Recycling starts from people's understanding of the need to segregate their waste at source. But you can't blame the people if the resources are not there for them to even begin thinking about segregating. Once we go past that stage, then the recycling part of it becomes easier.
But now the Accra compost and recycling plant has started the country's first big-scale recycling initiative. They are processing about 30% of collected waste in Accra.
And what we do actually is to receive, sort and process municipal solid waste, producing compost and other recyclable materials for the market. We use both manual and mechanical means of sorting the waste. We remove plastics, we remove paper, we remove textiles, we remove bottles, we remove all matters. Our material that is not decomposable is removed, and this material is packaged and processed for reuse. Why this is important economically? One, apart from it being financially feasible and therefore is helping the general economy in terms of finances, it provides employment for people. Right now we have around 300 people employed here. It also results in a reduction in environmental degradation, and that has economic benefits. Anytime pollution to the environment is reduced, there is an immense economic benefit.
But waste management shouldn't necessarily be something that can only happen on a big scale. Trashy Bags is a small business employing people to collect sachet waste off the streets to turn it into reusable and fashionable plastic bags.
A lot of developing countries are behind the loop when it comes to things like this, but they'll catch up, and I think that's what's happening here. It's all about awareness. When people see companies collecting trash, they then see, oh, there's a value to this, and they're looking, and especially in West Africa, they're going to be looking to see, well, how can they benefit from that? And there are people who will sell their sachets, they'll collect them from their community and sell them, just like our collectors. So there's some sort of business model there.
So with more and more attention to waste management, not only the environment will profit from recycling,